Okay, custom Trackmasters I've been selling on eBay since 2012, on YouTube since 2019 on November, and COVID-19 with the problem of starting on 2020. So I decided to start selling Trackmaster trains since 2012 on eBay. So I have sold so many trains that you cannot imagine, and that's the reason I have a storage full of broken trains, tracks, buildings, blah blah blah. Anyways, so on November 19 I already uploaded a couple of videos, but I wasn't intended to record so many YouTube videos. But since the pandemic started in the US, you know, in China on November, December, I don't recall it. So I decided to start uploading videos on YouTube of my work, on how to fix, restore, repair, modify trains, you know. So the idea was to help everybody stay at home, you know. And because I understand it's really complicated staying at home for the kids. So I step up and I say, you know what, I want to share my knowledge on YouTube to most of the people, so they can watch something at home and try to modify something. Everybody has access to Tomas the train, especially the kids. And the idea was trying to help make a little, for the kids, you know, try to make a little work on the weekends or during the day when they're staying at home. That's the reason I decided to upload videos, because if I were somebody else, I will never share everything you have seen. Other guys will never share anything. So I've been selling for now what, 8 years, and I have never ever collected trains. I buy and selling, restore, repair trains, and not to collect. But these days I'm trying to start making some little collection maybe for me. So let's go back to YouTube. When I reached the 1,000 subscribers, I contacted YouTube and I sent a message and said, hey, I'm trying to help kids and parents, help the kids to stay at home, to make it easy, you know, try to find something to do, not just to watch. Kids can learn how to paint, maybe parents can help them and make a little repair, because some things are easy to fix, others not. But anyways, that's one of the reasons I decided to upload videos. And for custom trains, whatever you want to say it, I don't know if I'm saying it right. I'm not trying to make exact replica. Custom train for me means that you can modify your train at your choice. I mean, you choose what you want to look, or how you want to look, you know, your train look. and I did a lot of research to make stickers, and it takes a lot of time, a lot of work, a lot of time. Not easy. But anyway, that's one of the reasons I decided to upload videos on YouTube, because I'm not doing this for just this year. I've been doing this for a while, since 2012, and I started selling on eBay since 2010. I made some products that I used to sell online. I probably call it Petit Train stabilizers. That's for cameras, and there was a rustic make your camera look like it's floating in the air. Today there are some others electronic devices that help you keep your camera stable. I also sold a lot of camera cranes, and I've been changing my eBay store opening and closing because some people, they just envy my work and they start buying and leaving negative feedbacks.
Hello, I'm James. I'm James. I'm the brightest red engine on Sodor.
Well, that's okay. I don't care if they leave negative feedback. I know they just want to get, some people just want to get some free stuff or hard sellers, and that's one of the reasons I don't sell so many toys on eBay, you know. So for now I'm just uploading videos on YouTube and trying to help everybody out, and I'm fixing. At this moment I'm not bidding on a lot on eBay. I used to bid a lot, you know, buying like 10 to 20 boxes a week to fix and repair, not to restore, just to fix and repair. That's one of the reasons I have a lot of broken trains, a lot. And the rarest ones I have found is the Oliver and Ned. Are the rarest ones. I have sold, I don't know if I'm not mistaken, I have sold like what was, how many, 13 Olivers, the number 11 train. And Ned, motorized Trackmaster Ned, I have only 3 maybe, and I don't restore. I mean, I cannot restore or do request because I don't collect trains. I just buy and sell. If I unbox you have seen some unbox, I just get those trains listed for sale. So anyways, at the end I want you to understand that I'm trying to help you guys out, trying to find a way to stay at home, fix your train, modify your train, repaint it, and that's what I'm doing. Not trying to I'm just trying to help. That's the reason, because I have kids at home and I just trying that my kids are busy at home, and I want other kids, boys and girls, that they have their own Thomas and train, you know, find something to do, you know, like fix your old train, like I say, repainted, modified, and that's the reason I'm here on YouTube. And other thing I want to talk is, I do not talk about brands of batteries or markers, because I've been in contact of these companies and I'm waiting for their response if they're gonna sponsor me, because I'm not gonna make talk about their products and they're gonna revenue, because people's gonna watch my videos and they are going to run and get the stuff I'm using. But anyways, they told me that they will consider in the future to sponsor me, and I hope to get some stuff for you guys, like giveaway. But anyways, I hope you guys understand now the reason I wish that you like, subscribe, and share my videos if you have chance. Leave a good comment, positive comment. Don't leave any attacks to others or me, or trying to hurt somebody else's feelings. That's not right. Why we should have attacking some people to others? No, I don't understand why people is doing that. But anyways, so I'm going to change the hours, because I used to upload videos at 10 in the morning, and I was trying to get those kids up early in the morning to watch my videos. I don't want the kids staying late until 1 or 4 p.m. in bed when they should be doing something else, So now that the school started, we're gonna change that hours, and I will upload videos in the afternoon, or on maybe late night, let's say from 5 to 8 p.m. on the Eastern Standard Time. That's the New York or New York time, Michigan, I think. So by that time, I think most of the kids are back from school, or the kids are going on to school, or the kids that are doing some remote schooling, online school, online classes, like my kids, they staying at home. So anyways, I don't want to get you bored with this video. So we have more mystery boxes here, big ones, heavy. Got another one over there, and 2 more, and I think 5 more boxes coming tomorrow or the day after tomorrow. So this was just a little chat. I hope you guys don't get bored. Please guys, help me out to like, subscribe, share, leave a good comment, and see you next time. Bye.